What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you have a truck or you're a fan of trucks, stay tuned. All right, good morning. I got this Toyota Tundra that just rolled in for a full wrap. This is for a company called TAV. It's Tactical Application Vehicles. I've done probably 5 or 6 vehicles for them now, and they focus mainly on Toyotas, but they do some awesome builds. I'll walk through this one with you a little bit and just show you some of the touches that they put onto their truck builds. But let's check out this truck and I'll show you what we have going on. So this is a Toyota Tundra. Got aftermarket bumper, full wheel and tire setup, full king suspension. This one has the wide fenders and wide bedsides, so you can see right here by the light how much wider that is and how much more aggressive it is than an OEM Tundra. I'll show you the bedsides as well. So it definitely makes it a lot wider and more aggressive. Just kind of tucks in those tires really nice. Aftermarket rear bumper with the tire mounting on the back. It's just all really quality stuff. They do great work. I'll link them below, their Instagram and their website, and you can go check them out. If you're interested in getting work done, definitely reach out to them, tell them I sent you. But as you can see, this truck is white right now, and we are going to a gloss dark gray by Avery. Truck just got washed by Showtime next door. So next up is Disassembly, and after that, we'll get started on laying some vinyl. Quick update, got the tailgate laid out like you guys saw. Went ahead and started the hood, knocked that out this morning. So there's another piece that goes on the nose of this here, and then the grill attaches underneath. But next up, I'm gonna knock out these doors. So already done the prep, everything, removed the mirror, removed the door handle. So I'm gonna get that laid and then go to the back door. And then hopefully just keep on moving down the side with the bedside and the front fender after that. Alright, so let's show you where we're at. 2 doors were laid, as you guys saw. Got the front fender laid and this front panel as well. Grill still needs to be wrapped and installed back on. But everything's turning out great. I'm really happy with this truck. And these gloss dark grays, they look, or any of the gloss grays, they look great on pretty much any vehicle that you put them on. So it's always a good neutral color that you can't really go wrong with. The mirror I had off, so everything's tucked in there. There's no white showing. White is the hardest color to cover up. So those of you that are considering wrapping, consider if you're doing a white car that you may need to remove more so that you can get in there a little deeper and cover that original color. I have an inlay in here for the bedside, and I also have an inlay in the bottom for the bedside as well. On this particular build, I wasn't able to take off the bumper and I wasn't really able to move the bed back because of some of the drawers that are in the bed. So this inlay on the back side I probably would have done anyway, even if the bumper wasn't there, just because this is a sharp like 90 drop off, and you're not really going to see that seam there unless you're looking for it. But I'll show you afterwards how the seam looks and show you that it's pretty well hidden. So next up on the bed side, I'm just going to wipe this down one more time and then lay that side piece. Alright guys, it's delivery day today, and I got quite a few things to do this morning. It's about 7:30. I got here about an hour ago, but this quarter panel's all done. Everything looks great. Got most of the side done, just need to work the cab and the roof. Just wanted to show you, for those of you guys that aren't from Albuquerque, New Mexico, we have the International Balloon Fiesta going on right now. So it's kind of hard to see, but there's a ton of balloons over there right now launching off. There's people that come from all over the US and all over the world actually, just to fly balloons or to spectate. So pretty cool thing to see for sure.